Hey Paris, blessed morning to you wherever you are, from my Jamaican home to wherever you are. If the weather is cold, just get some soup. Get that old good old Debbie soup from West India and the Lights. Okay, warm up yourself. If it's like really cold, hot, just try tone down. I don't know which part that now, because not even Jamaican is so hot. So I hope you're having a blessed day, you and the fam bam, to start off a new week and everything. Today is Sunday. So I'm doing this little intro for you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, I would like it to be good night when you cock up in your bed and I watch Debbie down a yard what she bring for you. Now, I promised you so long that I would be going to St. Mary, and any day I go to St. Mary, I will be sure to take you. Well, good news, we went to St. Mary. We got a little footage for you. You know what I'm saying? Some of them were a little bit of sweet memories, but anyway we went, and we got a little footage. So we'll be having probably another 2 to 3 videos. Will be all about St. Mary. So I would like you to cock up in your bed, sit back, relax, and watch what I've got to bring to you. As I said before, I think it's either 2 or 3. So in the next clip, we'll jump right into some of what happened in St. Mary.
Oh, okay. You pick 2 of our 3. Well, you know some of my country life, you know.
What's the one chocolate there?
When they
turn.
In your friend, my country about country life.
So one turn chocolate, right there.
You can tell them about it.
Why am I going to pick it now?
You can tell them about it. You understand me, auntie?
Adam, may I do?
Yes.
Adam, may I do? Okay.
May
I try to go?
I hold it, my plants when I come here, no? I hold it, I cut down my plants when I come here, no?
Girl, take the picture of the vine and the rent and we go up on the tree.
No, ma'am, one video. One video first.
Okay.
One mercy, me feel good. Me not lie, me come back and me look for mother place. I just house and me see right.
And people now want to pay the money for the crap. Look how people have to go through forget it. You understand? And them no want to pay the money.
Where?
Yeah. My family them have land out there, say, you know. They share them.
You share them?
Mm-hmm.
Are your family?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
My grandmother buried up
They
there.
you know do what?
Eh?
Yeah?
My great grandmother buried on the land too.
Yeah. Me know you share them, you know?
Yeah.
They're not supposed to have church up here.
Yeah, them have church. Up there, so my great grandmother buried.
Take up. My man take care of the one. You want to open so up right. Listen, you take it up.
So all of that are the renter?
Wow.
Nothing of that, Jordan. Jordan, calling him. Yeah, it's a lot.
I want bigger of a renter this man.
Yeah, see there? All of that, you know?
It's a 150 diggy.
So you can't just take out piece? I have to take out everything. Just go and relax. Make it reach. But you want me to pick it?
When she done that video, she had one.
I'm going to pick it. Yes.
She can't say at least she pick a chocolate a country.
But you see up at the shade them?
You step back, you know.
You know what if I candy up there apple? Red apple and cane.
Apple not be up here, Jordan, so much apple.
I will spoil off your apple. Oh, spoil off here.
Wow, what's so far you have to dig it go?
What you love, what you don't know about, you know.
One find the time and you drop back down the gully. You find the gully.
She alright, auntie. Alright.
Curry till you give her one joke and she miss and step back.
It just pops up now. Just laugh.
Where you are going to love her. Where you auntie are going to make she love.
Yeah, me have to
And you auntie are going to make she of herself encourage you and say, auntie, grandma and mommy, we want to go back to the country for somebody something there, you know. Oh.
You can't tell a little friend them say, well, you go country.
Anybody I tell her about country life, she can't tell you nothing.
I mean, I see your cousin dig yam.
Where? Because your yam big and
Me not start telling me she say me come from country.
Well, at first me I come in the bush. Yes, like when them come reap first, me I come right here, so.
She a Gerardo girlfriend, you know.
Yeah, man.
And she a she, you know.
Yeah,
And Simone and Errol in them a family, you know.
that me a find out.
When Simone and Errol them come out with them car and them big this and them that and park up. A basic and them car back down, you know.
To them mother.
What?
But she deserves it because she look but her kids them.
No, can you hear them? Can you hear them? I'm going.
Yes, when I tell you, you saw me at the shit of curry starting now.
I'm going to take out 2 pieces of yam and give them, man. Can you $1,000?
They could have get rent right here and go sell a market, man.
I'm not sell them.
Why?
I flex with the bridging. One at a time.
No man, you can't have them nice something and not sell. How much you buy renter for last week?
$80 pound.
$80 pound.
And then I put it
$80 pound for rent. I buy the market last week.
Over beach, over beach, over so.
And this is how much pound?
Over put more there. Right, so you're right. Now tell you beach. Right to spot there will make him.
Elsha?
Right to spot there will make him. Wait, sitting there again, man. Wait. Down. Right side of this, huh?
Oh, near Gurgle Park, right there, so. No, which part?
Yeah, yes. Go. Dig a bag of, me go in a week and dig a bag of yam.
No man, you need to sell this. This money this year look funny, you know.
And give me budgeting. I say, run that to me. The budgeting take me for fool and care $400 come give me. This is alright. I don't never give things more than
No man, them need to sell them here. What you say?
Keep quiet.
It's not here, you know.
Just like this thing.
Yeah, so 2 man thief and all that.
I'm mosquito, you know.
We come watch them.
how you believe me attack?
That me tell you say what you.
Now Johnny them.
Who have to pay me?
Yeah, that's why me not nothing with them man.
Yeah, okay.
Them run put the rope there.
Wait.
They can run put it.
Whoa. We can't separate us.
Hold on, open the arm side here if you don't want to. Don't broke it again. You broke
How
it
much?
again?
Not broken on
Look how it big.
Oh.
That look like about more than 10 pounds,
Come
right?
here, give me. Well, you up in a yarn when you clean off the dirt, Gerardo.
Stop.
Me can't call Allah Gerardo.
That's who you used to call him, Gerardo.
No, true, yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
Hold up here.
More well up in hand, forget it.
Get out here, mister.
He might take out the dirt.
We need it to go 10 minutes.
Yeah, ma.
You know,
More left in there, land.
Yeah, man.
Take off one little piece of head. Yeah.
Well, you up in your hand.
Yeah.
You should take a picture.
Yeah.
Alright, we serious though. Even if we don't pick the read them and go to town, you know.
I like you, it's a shame.
And we get
Family,
them
you know,
set.
man. Me say me like you, it's a shame, man. Believe me, man. Because me I say, man, Auntie Debbie's daughter supposed to grow big, you know.
Oh,
See her.
I beat them something up. A mosquito.
Some kind of sandfly like.
You see her.
Open a mosquito.
Nice.
Mosquitoes.
Them must be a country now again.
I'm a mosquito country, no care no fungus,
them not have
no care no malaria, no care no bacteria, no care no
Malaria,
malicious
malaria.
feelings. They don't care no malicious feelings. They carry only bloodsucker. Your blood ain't got with it, you know. Yeah.
Look on that. Yeah.
Man, Alan, you have to find some
Well, that's
clothes here
Alan.
and get the lady them.
Because it's true, no implant them?
Yeah.
You find some nice one who is gone over.
Oh, you plant this? You just
Debbie.
put, why you plant
You
this?
must plant back your head.
Auntie, right simple. Terence gone over here with some nice piece of, look for me on them. Terence gone over here with some nice piece of yam.
Yeah, me see them.
Yes. Alan, I find them now.
Yes, my
Alan.
nephew. Big up.
You are going on good.
I think I look at them raccoon.
Oh.